Okay guys, welcome back to another vlog. Sorry that I haven't uploaded in a while. Right now I am doing the homemade fishing lure challenge and I'm gonna start doing more fishing videos. Got a brand new Lew's setup, Lew's speed spool and speed spool rod. This is the Mark Rose signature series. And yeah, so I just kinda, here I'll give you guys a closer look, give me a second. Okay, yeah. But yeah, I just kind of whittled out this wood and stuff out this stick, put a sinker on top, an eyelet down at the bottom, a barrel swivel, and then I found a skirt and a hook with, and a hook with, like, it's like a treble hook, but with two hooks. If that makes any sense. If you ever fish with a Lunker Hunt frog, that's what I mean. But yeah, so there you guys go. You guys are being set up. Don't make fun of my white feet because I have been wearing socks for like the past 3 months. Let's try us. Oh crap. That was a fail. I'm trying, guys. This isn't as easy as it looks. That's my horse, by the way. Yeah, I guess I should have finished this. I'll take it. Yeah. That was a burp. I wasn't puking. Oh my god, that was a terrible cast. I got up on my tiptoes and everything. Yeah, this isn't doing too good so far. Yeah. As you guys can tell, it's not doing too good. As you guys can tell, I'm not casting out very far. It is because I can't cast out very far just because I'm not used to this reel yet. I mean, I just got it like 2 or 3 days ago. Alright guys, I might switch over to the Senko here in a minute. Senko, however you say it. It has like a hopping action, and it's also like a popping action. I don't really know how to explain this. It's like a hopping and popping action. You guys understand that. I know most of you probably won't. Because I know most of you that watches these videos. I know most of you guys don't fish a whole lot. That's right where I've been wanting it. But yeah, so having that double hook, it really helps it a lot. I mean, oh man, I don't know what's going on there. Alright guys, this is gonna be one whole video of me doing this. Watch the next video for me for fish with a Senko, and I'll just pop the line. Got the sinker, don't have the lure. Dang it. Man, my line popped. Too much stress. And now I'm trying to get the line done from off around my. Alright guys, you might see me go for a swim, depending on how far out it is. I forget what it is, I don't know look for it. Okay guys, yeah. I'm now switching over to a Senko. I will get that in a little bit. But yeah. Oh, and let me show you. Hold on, I'm actually gonna throw a wacky rig Senko I did take the sinker off, but I just got this brand new spider wire tackle box. I love it. This is the best tackle box I've ever had. Yeah, and then I got all my baits organized down here. I don't know whether I should fish with the big Senkos, which are kind of dirty. These are kind of old too. I don't know what happened to them. But I think I am going to use my Strike Kings. These ones. Well, yeah. So let me get this thing tied on. I don't know if you guys can see me or not, because my camera's facing the exact opposite way. And I need to get my hooks. But yeah, guys, if you guys are wondering, I'm not leaving that bait out there. I'm just not going to bore you guys of me. I know you guys probably like that. Most of you would probably like to see me go for a swim, but I really don't feel like it. Plus, I still have a little bit of bronchitis, and it's just not worth it. Worth it. I'm thinking I should probably put that sinker back on it, but you know what? I'll just tie it back on. Because this is my first bait caster that I can actually learn how to use, throw light baits and throw a little bit lighter baits than all my other ones. And dang it, all I have is my lighters. If you guys are wondering why I have a lighter, it's for my rod repair kit. And I just freaking burnt the line. Burn that down. For anybody who's ever fished, if you ever see those rod repair kits, yeah, I got one of those. And that's what I'm using. And I need to punch all of this nasty crap out of the center of this. Sorry if I'm boring you guys every so much time is left. Okay, I can tie this one in about 2 minutes. But yeah, so actually I might use my big baits. They're kind of old. I've opened them, have not used them. Have I even opened? I don't even think. Yeah, I've opened them. I have never used them. But yeah, so almost every day I will be doing one of these videos unless I am sick, in the hospital, or at band. Ow, crap, just hooked myself. There's something over there making a noise, so I looked up and I hooked myself. I'm hopeless. Okay, now that time it was pretty doggone good. Okay, so have I opened them? Yes. Have I used them? No. Look how big that freaking thing is. Oh, no, I'm not using that. Ew, man, like all kinds of like the flakes and stuff's coming off of it. That's nasty. I want to throw those away. And not in the lake. Don't ever throw your soft plastics in the water, because then the fish will eat them, and then they think they're full, but they're not, and then it kills them. Okay, I don't know if you guys can still see, but yeah, my tackle box is going to be down in the bottom corner. Still don't know if you guys can see. Yes, a little bit, but not where I wanted you guys to see. Hold on, focus. Yep, there we go. Okay, I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see me. I know you'll probably be able to see my rod casting. Yeah, I did wacky rig it. I'm kind of new to wacky rigs. If you hear random background noises, I'm sorry. But yeah, so here we go, guys. I got my knees all dirty. That was a terrible cast. Oh my god. Why am I doing so bad? Okay, guys, I'm gonna like kind of fly rod cast. This is what I'm gonna call it. Why couldn't I have a boat? Alright guys, I'm actually going to, I forget what this is called. I believe it's no, it's not Texas rig. Maybe, I'm not sure. But I'm actually going to switch over to a jig head. I think I'm going to switch over to a jig head. Actually, now I'm just going to untie this and then tie it back on. If you guys are wondering, I am trying not to edit the video. If you guys are wondering why I'm not like cutting it, making different scenes and stuff like I usually do, it's because I'm trying to get used to not cutting it and stuff. And I wish I knew what, I think I might have threw down my other sinker. Don't ever do that. Alright. Forget what I did with my sinker. I think I laid it down right here. But yeah, I don't think it's a Texas rig. Oh. If you guys are wondering, I am using 10-pound braid on my pole. But I am going to, no, I'm not going to edit in the outro. Maybe, and I'm working on an intro too. I'm trying to get it to be like the Funk Bros intro, if you guys know who I'm talking about. But yeah, let me check the time. Okay, got 2 more minutes I can fish. And guys, that's about it, in 3 more minutes. Man, I screwed this fisherman's knot up. So you know what, I'm going to improvise. When all else fails, guys, just improvise. Not in everything, just some things. Don't improvise everything, only some things. Why am I getting bit? Alright guys, and where'd my sinker go back there? Alright guys, now I might actually be able to cast it. Okay, and in about 2 minutes, well actually more like a minute, I will no longer be able to videotape because then I won't be able to upload to this channel. But yeah, I think I'm just going to end it there. And yeah, so goodbye. And, well, let's see if I cook the fish. Probably won't. Probably just cook the weed. No, I didn't. Yeah. So goodbye and see you in the next vlog, people. The intro might be in the next couple videos. So yeah, goodbye and see you in the next vlog.
I can make your hands clap.